Have you ever tried to open the Epic Games launcher only for it to crash, freeze, or refuse to open altogether? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this quick guide, I'll show you a few simple but effective ways to fix Epic Games when it keeps crashing so you can get back to your games without the headache. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you find this video helpful. It really supports the channel and helps others find this fix too. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should do is close any background apps that might be interfering with Epic Games. Programs like Discord, Chrome, or even antivirus tools can sometimes cause compatibility issues. To check this, look at the bottom right corner of your desktop and click the small arrow to show hidden icons. You'll see a list of programs currently running. Simply right-click on anything you don't need, like Chrome, Riot Vanguard, or CCleaner, and select Exit. Once that's done, try reopening the Epic Games launcher and see if it runs smoothly. If it's still crashing, let's move to the next fix. Updating your Windows system. Outdated drivers or missing system updates can easily cause launch issues. Click the search box on your taskbar, type Update, and select Check for Updates. Once the Windows Update window opens, hit the Check for Updates button. If any updates appear, install them, then restart your PC. After that, try launching Epic Games again. This simple step alone often solves the issue. Now, if Epic Games still won't cooperate, we'll tweak the launcher's compatibility settings. Find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop or search for it using the Windows search bar. Right-click the app and choose Open File Location. When the new window appears, right-click the Epic Games Launcher again and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Here, tick the box that says Run this program as an administrator, click Apply, then OK. Now, right-click the launcher again and choose Run as Administrator. This gives it full permission to access the files it needs, which can stop the crashes. If that still doesn't work, return to the same Compatibility tab and try enabling two more settings. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and also tick Run this program in compatibility mode, leaving it set to Windows 8. Apply the changes, hit OK, and then try opening the launcher again. At this point, your Epic Games launcher should finally open and run without crashing. If this video helped you out, do me a favor. Drop a like down below and let me know in the comments which method worked for you. And if you want more quick and easy tech tutorials just like this one, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.